This is hands down the best chicken sandwich ever. Look at how juicy that meat is, and it has absolutely zero oil. Start with about 100 grams of boneless chicken thighs, sprinkle some salt, and I'm using a deep glass dish to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for just 12 minutes. Always use a deep glass dish. Metal trays heats up way too fast and dry the meat out, but glass completely locks in the moisture even with zero oil. Look at this, how moist and perfectly well done it turned out. Now toast your bread on a hot pan, again zero oil. I'm using high protein bread here. Add your favorite cheddar slice. Drop that juicy chicken right on top and press it so that cheese melts even more. Add tomatoes, lettuce. Drizzle some fat-free barbecue sauce. And that's it. It's ready. Now I really like my bread this crunchy and crisp. Let's slice it into two and wait for that meaty and juicy cross section. Seriously, so good. And honestly guys, meals exactly like this have been a lifesaver for me lately. I haven't been able to step foot in the gym for the last 5 weeks because of a minor medical procedure. But because I kept my nutrition on point with tasty high protein meals just like this, I haven't gained any extra fat. Zero. That is the actual power of nutrition. If you want more easy high protein recipes, hit that subscribe button.